All right, looks like everything is coming through. Good morning, everyone. This is Frank with the morning update. And looking at the overnight trading last night, price got down as low as 1775 half in the ES, and that was very, very important. As we know, 1775s have been a huge, huge number in the charts for some time now. And the first time around when they tested it after the breakout, they came down as low as 74 half. The next time we came down to 77.75, and now we got down all the way to within a half point of that 75 level and got to 75 half and bounced. In overnight trading, I was actually up at that time when I was watching it, and the behavior was nice. I mean, we got down there, we wicked down below 76s, got it immediately bought up, and pretty quickly we were already trading 79s. We've since rolled up higher off that level and made these 77 halves support there, and have continued to show strength off that zone and are now back toward the 84s. I don't think we're out of the clear yet, but overall this is the same type of behavior we've seen lately, where we come down to a significant support zone like 75 and immediately bounce up off that zone, and then and if we have an open breakaway gap or something of the nature like that, then usually these things continue higher. But right now the gap's not going to be super significant. And I would say the short-term pivot to watch right now is 1784, 84 half, somewhere in that zone. 84 half continues to be the monthly pivot point for the floor pivots in a month in a daily chart. And right now 84s are holding short-term. So 84 is the early level that I'm going to be watching. If we can break above 84s, then there are targets to the upside to watch. Today is rollover day for the most part, but sometimes traders tend to either roll over today, roll over Friday, roll over Monday, whenever they want. So depending on which one you want to trade, there's different lows and highs to trade, and different volumes and all that stuff. So right now, using the 1775 low here, I have upside targets for the day at 86 half, and that's going to be the primary target for the day, and then 1790 would be the secondary on the upside. You got to get to those 84s. If you can't get above 84s here, then we also have downside targets to watch at 76, 75, and 73 quarter. Again, if we break those 75s though, and hold below that zone, kind of like what Kathy says, you got to break and hold below those 75s and 74 half, then that could open the door to much more weakness ahead. And the next area of support down below would be the 1735s, which have also been a significant area of support here. The 1735s have been nice. So 1775 continues to be the big zone to watch. We break down below there, then the next key levels below I would say would be 55 and 35. For crude oil futures, this one had a full-on reversal day yesterday and completely gave back the entire gain from Tuesday's market. And right now the major line in the sand for me is still the 97 level. 97 continues to be a major area of support, and until we break that zone, I think we're still headed higher. Right now we're starting the day with some strength. We've rolled higher off the 97.30s, so I think 97.30s are major support. So if we drop down away from current levels to between 97.30 and 97.60, there's going to be support in that zone that I'll consider buying. But for right now, the overall upside target for the day is going to be 98.47 with a scaling point at 98.09. We just hit 98.09s right now. Other than that, on the downside, let's see. On the downside, I'm looking at 97.41. On this pullback, you got to get back below 98s and hold that zone. But if it does, and 98s are rejected here, then I have that target at 97.41 and 97.02. Again, 97s are the big level here. I think if we violate those 97s, then there could be a major retest at 95.70 down below, which could offer a much better buying opportunity on a value basis if you think this thing is headed higher in the weeks ahead. All right, that's all I got for this morning. Not feeling too well, kind of under the weather feeling. Not super bad, but we'll see how the day progresses here, whether I stick around. But don't usually like to trade if you're not feeling your best. But everyone, good luck the rest of the day. We'll see how it plays out.